Stop. Do not buy a new camera yet. If you're looking at a full-frame system or even a Fujifilm X-T6, you need to wait. You are about to spend your hard-earned money on something that will be outdated in just a few months. Welcome back to Educational Hub. Today, we are breaking down the biggest news in the photography world. We are talking about the massive leaks surrounding the Fujifilm X-T6. This is the camera that everyone is calling the full-frame killer. We have seen supply chain manifests and factory leaks that change everything. By the end of this video, you will see why this is the only camera you should be saving for. The X-T6 is not just a small update. It is a massive leap forward that destroys the idea that you need a bulky full-frame camera for professional work. It all starts with the brand new X-Trans 6 CMOS sensor. Fujifilm is sticking with 40 megapixels, which is the perfect sweet spot for detail and storage. But the real magic is that this is a partially stacked sensor. This means the camera reads data at blinding speeds. You can say goodbye to rolling shutter. Your fast action shots will be crisp and straight. No more warped lines when you are panning across a scene. This sensor unlocks incredible burst speeds. You can capture the exact moment a bird takes flight without any distortion. But a sensor needs a brain, and that is where the X-Processor 6 comes in. This chip is the main reason why you should not buy an older model right now. It is built entirely around artificial intelligence and deep learning. This new AI solves the biggest problem Fujifilm fans have complained about for years. We're talking about autofocus reliability. In the past, Sony and Canon had the edge in tracking. The X-T6 closes that gap completely. The new AI does not just look for a face. It understands how humans and animals move. It can predict where your subject will be before they even move there. Whether you are at a dark wedding or on a busy street, the focus stays locked. It can even see in near pitch-black conditions. This makes it a beast for low-light photography. But the X-T6 is not just for photographers. It is a hybrid powerhouse that is blurring the lines between travel cameras and cinema rigs. Fujifilm is putting professional video features into this classic body. Leaks suggest we are getting internal 6K and maybe even 8K video at 30 frames per second. This is unheard of for a camera this size. You also get 4K at 120 frames per second for beautiful slow motion. To handle all this data, Fujifilm is finally upgrading the hardware. The X-T6 is rumored to feature a CF Express Type B slot alongside the SD card slot. This means you can record high-quality ProRes files internally without the camera crashing. To keep your shot steady, the new stabilization system gives you 8 stops of compensation. You can shoot handheld video that looks like it was on a gimbal. You can even take sharp photos at 1-second shutter speeds without a tripod. There are some big changes to the body too. The classic dials for ISO and shutter speed are staying. However, the screen is changing. To help video creators, Fujifilm is moving to a fully articulating flip-out screen. Some street photographers might miss the old tilt screen, but this change is necessary for a modern hybrid workflow. You also get a massive upgrade to the viewfinder with 5.76 million dots. It will be like looking through a clear window with zero lag. Now, let's talk about the price and release date. Wireless filings show that the launch is only about 5 to 6 months away. Expect a big global event in late fall. The most shocking part is the price. The X-T6 is expected to launch at around $2,000. This price point is a direct attack on the premium full-frame market. You get high-resolution stack performance for a fraction of the cost. In my opinion, this is the most exciting camera release in years. Fujifilm is proving that you don't need a giant sensor to get world-class results. The X-T6 is a generational leap that will hold its value for a long time. It is sleek, powerful, and smart. If you want a camera that can do it all without breaking your back or your bank account, this is it. Be patient and wait for the official drop. If you like the video, subscribe to Educational Hub, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest tech.